Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is a soup recipe I put together for weight loss. This is what your soup should look like after you cook it. You're going to simmer very slowly and cook till tender. Hey, y'all. Well, I just made this soup, and I'm going to be listing the ingredients and how to put it together. Nothing really special about it, but this helps keep your tummy a little flatter through the holidays. I mean, I don't say go out and eat all the pies and cakes, but, this will help uh, the effects of our holidays, bring in a new year so you don't feel so guilty. So let me show you the ingredients. Here's the ingredients. We have a head of cabbage, 2 large onions. They can be whatever onion you want to use. 5 toes of the garlic, a can of, I use hot Rotel because I like mine pepper. Some people don't like theirs hot. You can use mild or whatever. And I used the no salt tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and I used the Lipton onion soup, 1 package. The reason why I don't add salt is because this package has okay, you can see it has sodium is 610 milligrams. So I think that's a lot of salt. And celery makes things taste salty. So that's 5 of these, 5 stalks of celery. And you just cut and dice it all up to make your soup. And it turns out like this. It's a very pretty soup. Oh, I forgot one thing. Oh my goodness. I forgot. You got to have bell pepper with it too. I forgot. It's 2 bell peppers. I only have 1 left. Because I already made the recipe. But anyway, it's 2 bell peppers. But anyway. So anyway, that's your soup to help you lose weight during the holidays, and I hope all of y'all have a good holiday. My cat Ian is just laying here watching me video. He always likes to be near me. Hi, Ian. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Want your tummy rubbed? Huh? Okay, y'all. Bye, and I'm going to leave the link that I'll put everything in the description for this soup. And it tastes really good. I'd like for y'all to try it. Okay, bye, y'all. Oh, y'all, I left out some ingredients. Anyway, it's cabbage, 2 onions, 4 toes of garlic, can of Rotel, hot, mild, whatever you want. And I like the no salt, diced tomatoes. I forgot to put I get the Kendall Farm beef flavored broth because it don't have the MSG gluten-free. I get this at the Dollar Tree. And a package of onion soup, 5 stalks of celery, and it's supposed to be 2 bell peppers, but I don't have another one to put on display there. But I'm going to write up the recipe, how I do mine. I've seen there's different versions on there, but I like mine. Anyway, I hope y'all will try my soup and enjoy it. This is my sweet cat, Yin. He always likes to be near me, especially when I cook. He'll lay on the kitchen floor to watch. I want to wish everyone a safe and happy Christmas and New Year's. Yen says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's, and be safe. I hope y'all try my cabbage soup. It's really tasty and it does help slim you after all of these holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's.